Welcome back to the channel. This is Katrena's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I share home decor inspiration. Outdoor makeovers. Indoor and outdoor tablescapes. Cooking in my priceless kitchen. Cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Now don't forget, videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. A quick little lunch break at the Chick-fil-A, and then we'll be off to Lowe's. Keep watching. With 4th of July just around the corner, they have a few items on sale. But me, I'm on the hunt for outdoor bar stools. So let's just keep looking around. Well, the temperature gauge is saying that it's 93 degrees. And with the heat index, well, that's over 100. So Jakali and I, my cousin number 2, we're just going to sit a spell and enjoy Lowe's air condition for just a moment. So we found our chairs. We found our chairs just in time for the 4th of July. So keep watching. We'll be decorating soon. Stay tuned. Spoiler alert, we will not be decorating in this video. I already said it's over 100 degrees and it's after 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So we'll be decorating on tomorrow. You know what to do. Stick and say. Thanks so much. Leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Well, I'll see you for part 2 of the outdoor 4th of July decor.